Hey everybody, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage State Realty. Welcome to 28 David Street. This beautiful move-in ready home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, fully finished basement, and the mature 50 by 100 foot property has plenty of privacy. We're located in a family-friendly Dundas neighborhood, only minutes to McMaster, highway access, and we're only walking distance to shopping and restaurants. Thank you very much for watching. Please enjoy the tour. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you would like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thanks.